Hey family, this is Darlene Knight with Jewelry by BDK. I needed to order a light box, and when I went on Amazon and eBay, the delivery time to receive a light box is like May 13th and beyond. So of course I took to YouTube and I found a video that shows how to make your own light box. And I actually made one, and it is doing the job. I made it out of a cardboard box. I went to Walmart and got a cardboard box. And I got the white paper to tape in the background to have my white background. And then I went to Joann's where I had to stand in line for an hour just to be in the store for all of maybe 10 minutes to get this white lining. So I got the white lining, I covered the sides, I covered both sides. Hopefully you can get a good look at it. I taped that on there. I cut 3 sides out, the front, the 2 sides, and the 2 sides I covered with the white lining. The back I didn't cut out. I just covered that with that white construction paper. And it takes really good pictures, and I have the big lamps, studio lamps, so you can see. And it is actually doing the job. It's doing a really good job. So before you go out and spend all that money on a light box, and because I have jewelry, the pieces are very small, so I didn't need a really big box or anything. And I'm saying like May 13th and beyond just to get a light box. I'm like, nah. So I went ahead and created my own. I think I did a good job. And the thing is, it's taking really good pictures. So there we go. I'll add some pictures to this video so you can see what they look like. Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, even share the videos if you think they're worth sharing. Be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping by.